Hello everyone, and thank you for taking the time to visit our channel. Join us as we explore incredible wonders you've never seen before. Get ready. A viral chicken that broke the system. Train spotters' excitement quickly turned to disappointment when a passing Virgin train blocked their view of the legendary Flying Scotsman, ruining countless long-awaited photos and videos of the iconic moment. On one side, in Vietnam's capital, there's a narrow street lined with old houses where trains still pass. While crossing a railway in Vietnam, a truck became stuck on the tracks. Despite the driver's desperate attempts to signal, the oncoming train couldn't stop in time and slammed straight into the vehicle. Two trains are traveling closely together. The gap between the train and the houses is very narrow. This is a dangerous situation for the people living in this area.
To be fair, this is certainly an unusual and fascinating location to lay train tracks.
In South China, a terrifying moment unfolded when a car allegedly ignored a red light at a level crossing only to be struck by an oncoming train.
So your boy Eric got a new whip!
You're gonna die.
Oh shit!
The car approaches the railway barrier and attempts to drive through it as it lowers. The force of the vehicle causes the barrier to bend. It appears the driver has mistaken the car for a bulldozer. That gate came out of nowhere. Luckily, just a fall and nothing worse. Running a steam engine was more complex than many realized. Traditionally, it took 2 crew members, a fireman who shoveled coal into the furnace, and an engineer who managed the steam release and speed control with heavy levers. A romantic gesture ends in an unexpected crash, the consequences of carelessness.
What the? No.
A man's leg gets trapped in the train door as it closes. Several other passengers are attempting to assist him and open the door to help him get out. A steam locomotive, specifically Union Pacific 3985 Challenger, is operating on Sherman Hill in Wyoming. That's not just driving, that's pure art on wheels. A Tatra T3 tram, Unit 5669, suddenly emits heavy smoke from the front. The likely cause is an electrical fault, though no injuries are reported. Biker train ngiem ngai may manhat trong cuộc joy. Talk about a rough day. This driver in Auburn, Washington surely didn't expect a train collision on his list. A moose stands on the railway tracks. The train driver has to stop to allow the animal to leave. The incident occurs in Norway. Bro saved his own life with only one hand. CCTV captures downburst in Porto Cesareo, southeastern Italy, on 18th August 2025. A terrifying flash flood sweeps through Gulmit Gojal, Pakistan, nature's raw power on full display. This same illegal maneuver seen in Canada by a Punjabi driver was just done in Florida. A semi-truck making a U-turn on the turnpike killed 3 people from Florida City, Pompano Beach, and Miami.